大家好, Taikeho. I'm a freelance Chinese tutor as my side hustle based here in Pangasinan. Face-to-face sana because hindi ako pang online class. So if you're from Urdaneta, Villasis, Tayug, Santa Maria, Rosales, Balungaw, Umingan, Santo Tomas, Alcala, and you're looking for a Chinese tutor for your kid or even for you as an adult, gusto nyo makausap ng Mandarin, Hokkien, pwede ako. So I also have current duties, so let's work around the schedule para hindi conflict sa schedules. And I'll be reading some texts from the textbooks of my current duties. 第6课谁回答得快？老师，我问你们回答，看谁回答得快。什么动物跑得快？学生，兔子跑得快。老师，什么动物爬得慢？学生，乌龟爬得慢。老师，什么动物跳得远？学生，猴子跳得远。老师，什么动物飞得高？学生，老鹰飞得高。